Physical health, mental health, emotional health. What are these? These are essentially different atmospheres that come together to create the environment of health. So, what then is fitness, nutrition, massage, therapy, and things like that? These are, let's say, common actions found in these different atmospheres that are generally out of balance. Therefore, we've created different specialists to deal with these balances being um, askewed. So then, when we're really looking and pursuing health, we are going after an environment that promotes health. This is different in the sense of thinking of things not just as doing fitness, but finding where the piece that fitness is fits into the environment that we need to create health. So if somebody were to be, let's use fitness, lacking the kind of physical initiative to be outdoors or more active in their lifestyle, then we'd say there is a misbalance in their physical atmosphere. This means that something is throwing it off what should happen. And because of that, we're having a lack of movement in the physical realm of things. Then we would look towards the other two elements and say, how are these emotional and mental atmospheres working together to either compensate for the fact that there's no physical happening, or how are they thrown off, and that result of those things being thrown off equaling the fact that there is lack of physical initiative. So as you can see, this is a little different than just taking precise action, exercising, and getting to the end result. I believe that because we're normally seeking an action as opposed to an environment, we often get half results. We don't get the full maintenance of a new action that changes the person's lifestyle to be more physical or more active or more emotionally open or more kind of mentally solid. Therefore, the attempts that we make don't quite get us where we need to be. And I'm suggesting that in following these pieces and looking into the atmospheres that they are situated in, we have a better understanding of creating the human environment of health. All right, thank you for listening. That is a new perspective, I believe, on achieving or pursuing health, generally from a restorative perspective, that being self-care focused. Thank you very much.